Skool started running Facebook ads to all Skool communities, and in this video I go through what I did to improve my community so it gets featured in those ads more often. Welcome to the One Person Show episode 50. I'm Samuli Eskanen, and in this show I'm building a one-person online business in public using educational video content, AI tools, Skool and meta ads. This is for entrepreneurs, coaches and experts who want to build an online business around their expertise without a team. You can also join my free The One Person Business community where I show how my one-person online business works and I post these kind of weekly updates here. And the link is below this video. So Skool just recently announced that they start to run ads to all Skool communities, and here is ad library. You can always go to ad library inside Facebook and see what kind of ads people are running. So for example, here are all the Skool ads. So currently they are running over 2,000 ads. And basically they are running this kind of catalog ads. So because all of these Skool communities, they have the data for these, they have made basically like a Facebook catalog for each of the communities. And they use these Skool main cards to pull the information and of course information about your Skool community about page. So for example, here is my One Person Show about page, and this main picture here is used on those ads. So if we go here to the Skool discovery and I have searched for one person and then both of my communities are shown here, all of these cards are basically used on those ads, mainly this image as you can see here. So for example, here is one of the Skool ads, and if we click here in the see ad details, as you can see there are multiple versions of these ads, and if I click here, there is like different communities, and also I see something else like one of their images, I think, and all the communities like these are like automatic Facebook ads, and Facebook automatically like decide what to use, and of course they can inside Skool platform themselves they can have some saying like what kind of Skool groups are shown on these ads. And what they told in the recent Skool news that there seems to be some kind of benefit if you also run a lot of like traffic to your Skool group and they favor those. So of course they want to run ads only like those kind of groups that, for example, are first of all good group. I think is there like some kind of point if you have Skool group that is like a lot of engagement, or I think maybe if your Skool group is gaining a lot of traffic elsewhere, of course that is a good sign for Skool platform to promote those. But they said that basically if you want to participate in this program, you go here in this discovery tab and put this growth boost on. So here you can turn this on and off again, but they will get like 30% commission if they get a member to your Skool group. And I think that is more than fair because I have been running Facebook ads 10 years, and if I get members in and I pay only 30% of that, I'm very glad of that member. So definitely hope they will get this working and start to scale this a lot, as they have been telling that they want to scale this. But of course the mathematics need to work. So of course they cannot scale this, like currently they are running these ads and not taking this affiliate commission, but like I think in the 20th day after, was it like after that they start to take the 30% commission of all the members they have gotten your group. But still, of course, they need to get everything working so they can only take this 30% commission and be profitable. And of course, if I think about this as a point of view of the like advertiser, they probably need to use that add their budget to those groups that of course convert very well. So of course you need to have first like good group, good idea, make the about page first as best as possible to convert very well, and then also run your own ads or a lot of organic traffic to your group, and then you get like the best possibility also get like traffic from school platforms on Facebook ads. But they said that they want to like scale this as much as possible and hope they do, but very interesting thing. So what I did to be more visible on those Facebook ads is that as I see they use this school group photo here, so I made like I took a screenshot of the ads that I see on Facebook. So this is the ads they are currently running. So the text is same for everyone, but they changed the picture here, and then this call to action here goes to the group that is shown here. So basically only thing you need to change on this ad is the image. So that's why I changed my school group image to this kind of image that instantly tell who my group is and what is the thing what we do here. So film once a week and post daily, because I teach here how to create this kind of studio and how to create videos and how to get organic traffic and things like that in this group. And that's why I wanted to put this kind of image. And this is the image that I have here on my school group. But also, I think they start to use also these ads, images that you have on your about page. So I need to next fix these. And best way to think about this is just to start creating images that have all the information inside the image. So for example, I will be putting this kind of image, one of these about page images here. So if they take that image here on this ad, it will also work. So for example, learn how to set up a small room YouTube studio, because I teach that also in my community. So I have this but I currently have these images. I will change these, but basically, because I teach here how to map your content once and have video ideas for full years, then my second thing is how to set up the small room YouTube studio, and then how I film and edit post weekly YouTube videos and daily short form content. So I will be making one image of this, and then also how to set up a queue that posts automatically your videos to different social media platforms. So these are basically four main pillars that I have on my group, and I also have here how to create this kind of AI brain that knows everything about you and things like that. So basically how I have made my classroom that you see here is that I can basically make a one image of each of these classroom modules and then put those here. And this way, when the school run ads and when they start to use also these about page images, they will also work very well on those ads. So that's what I have been doing now, and I will be chasing the other images also. So this is pretty awesome update, because none of the other platforms ever have done this. I mean, like Kajabi or other platforms like these. But I'm currently totally invested in Skool, because there is now everything that I need to run my one-person business. And this is very interesting update, because I definitely, even though I have spent over 2 million euros on Facebook ads, I definitely would rather spend my time just fixing my community and helping members than run Facebook ads. So if Skool will help, that is awesome, awesome news. And yeah, and that's about it what I have done in this past few days. And I am currently moving, and I'm moving my studio. I will be moving this back to our house. So this has been also a big thing in these past weeks, and soon like after 2 weeks, I will be done with this and I then can focus more also making these videos. But now I'm also creating content for the future 30-day challenge that I am be running inside the One Person Show community, like 30 days of posting and helping people to stay consistent and just post and make those videos. And that's the point of this challenge. So that's also takes a lot of time for me, but hopefully like, let's say like after like next 2 to 3 weeks when the challenge is running and I have moved, everything settled, and I can also make more these YouTube videos. But that's about it for this video, and hope you get few insight what you can do with your Skool community. And I put links below this video for both of my Skool communities, and also put the link right here for the next episode when that is ready. Hopefully see you in the next episode. Bye bye.